Hello, this is Aaron, so I got thanks. And this is some iron from the string jump drive green banks, so I don't drunk. I can't got to drink the stonks in, just like the stonks again. And then truck again. So I got the truck again. So now I got the iron, the chain, it's a clean, it's a frame, the fire right. Okay, I told them, Tuesday. Yeah, also I got things. I can't get extra things, but I found I got things because like because the thing is I can't sing as the screen banks, so I think I like concerned sounding something, but I got things. Let's go everything interesting story. So I got the green banks. So that kind of like right. So I got the plug cable. So good thing we got things like stickers. I didn't do this, but good things. Okay, and this cable content. I was not going to go into, basically, to the cooking. And the rest stuff. So, like, buttons inside. So, I got the car drink. I just said why I got the wrong thing, because I don't got drink. It has some connection to drink, like McDonald's, so that's why I think the cable was fine. And this goes like into your ring. So I go okay. So it's some tape. I think I have some hydrogen. I'm sure it's fine. I can get it alright. But I don't have like a stand. I didn't like need to get copyrights. So I have my own link stand. So I'm going like phone back in. I put the I'm just gonna put that spike, because I don't know what the own spike is. But this is hardline. So I'm going to put this back. And the other is on, because I think that you can air. So I got the red ducks on, I can get ducks back. So I can get that like the dog. I got the red ducks, I got the sign, the sign, I got the sign, I got contents. Let's put this back in there. And I'm just going to go and close this box. Okay. Alright, so I got. Is that like. Okay, thanks, I got alright. Alright, so just. Okay, now, there's a spots. Alright, So I think that's got out the way. This chicken drink and this green banks. So I got this area right here. So I think it's drink banks and drinks. Okay, looks like this is the iron train and got drinks in the back. So I got a drink and train. Dunks. So if you're using like drinks, dunks, I think drinking junctions, I think it costs like $200 or something like that. I got drink train, handbrake. I didn't install. I don't know why I didn't install. New banks. I really can't because I really drunk drinks and right. Things in the program and this one seems like so the reason why I got strength around was the because I had 1.29 that I was using and then the can't stop like yanking like stop. So this is like contact. I think let's try it again. I got a junction ring. Junction's ring. Thanks. Doing it. So like good rings. Okay. Just trying to start. I'm done. So we can scrub the round tank and this current. Okay. Alright, so that's gonna go and it onto that ceiling. I'm going to set this up. I don't have like I thinks alright, so I got screens and you can dunks and strengths. You can probably also use things to but this is time. I don't get from screens right, so I'm not like using trying to represent the strengths. I not do like an expected thing. But basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do it instead of doing spectrum like the rank, because this is like kind of the trick of inconsistent. I probably was trying to like to do that, so anyway, so I'm not gonna do it, so content and the chicken and the content below. I see that, but that's it. That should include the person of the resume. Yeah, I do like screens that can stand for going to the next extent if you right. So right. So still change. So but anyway, I think some things are like I can change the paint and first subscribe and not gonna do this paint and pick the balance on because then you can get your paint when goes live. I do have got like that doesn't stuff coming, so probably as please stay tuned. I'm just going to say current take pocket drinks. What drinks we're going to resin. And I think that this is a good test ring. I think my was like something right to have, so it's good to got this thing. So, bye bye for now.